My name is Walker Adams and I am in the 7th grade here. This is my first year at the Odyssey. I chose to come here after I saw the kind of things my sisters did here last year. I knew that here at the Odyssey the teachers challenge students to excel in every single way. Ask any other student here and he or she would say the exact same thing. The teachers won't take it easy on you. They will stick with you until you excel above and beyond your own standards. I chose to attend this school in the hope that it would equip me with the academic tools to succeed in high school and in college and throughout life itself for that matter. I knew that I would have to work much harder as a student here. I am not only being challenged, I'm even struggling in some areas that were overlooked before, but not in a bad way, in a way that lets my mind grow. I had a former teacher that once said, "A good student is not one that eases through school." But that is exactly what I did till I had teachers who looked at me as a person and knew that maybe I could do a little better, a little more. And here at the Odyssey, our principals and teachers aren't complacent. They won't let you become stagnant in your learning. They give you everything you need until you find success. I look forward to the challenges here at Odyssey every day of the week because I plan to be successful in the future, and the education I am receiving here is the first step in that journey. I am honored that I can be a part of this great school. Thank you, and thank you all for coming.